car. That's your beautiful car.
Good morning, motherfuckers. How y'all doing? I'm out here with my peoples, you know, all this quarantine stuff. I had to unwind from life before I go back into isolation. So yeah, I'm over here with my peoples, you know what I'm saying? People Dank right here. You know
What up? What up?
You know what I'm saying? About to drink that Cavassier. Drink responsibly. What up, man? This is messed up. You know I only got like 1% battery left. No, it's not even a percent. Look. Wait, and I got one on while I'm talking. I'm lying. I put it on right now as I said it. I'm gonna cut that out. No, I'm not. All right. See, this is her better half, or he's her. But I don't know that.
Better half off.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That's okay. That's. I don't even know how that. I just start using the phrase now that I'm old.
Yeah.
And this is the young dude that makes me upset right now. He's living the car dreams that I still hate.
Just got my wheels on. Yep.
Yeah.
Looking good. Tell them about the wheels.
Yeah, they're ESR CS15. I got them for a good price.
Insert clip.
Rubbing in the front, but it's good. Like I'm gonna just deal with it. They look really good.
Man, they do like awesome cruises and all kind of things for causes and hang out in Orange County.
Cars for Causes is the foundation I just started. We're looking to make it a lot bigger, but we're gonna do more than just one cruise this year. But you know, this coronavirus got us all locked in. But it's all good. When it's over, we're gonna have a nice big cruise. Fun fact: the foundation I started, Cars for Causes, everything that we do is gonna be for a good cause. So last year we had one event, and it was called Cruise for the Cure, Breast Cancer Awareness month of October, and it was amazing. We had so many cars show up, and we all had like pink ribbons on the cars, and we just cruised all down PCH, and it was cool. So make sure y'all follow the page Cars for Causes on Instagram, and yeah, stay tuned.
All right.
Talk to and tell him everything she go through. She said she wanna be safe, realizing she a woman that deserve any and everything.
Raft with a woman on it, and she's butt naked, and she's coming back, and he swims out there and he helps her out. He brings her back. He keeps her on the island for 2 years, and takes care of her, gets her back healthy, right? Once she's all fed, she says, you know what, you can have anything that you want. And she starts taking off her pants and taking off her shirt. And he says, all right, can you just do me one favor? Hold that goddamn sheep. Hold that dog, excuse me.
All right.
Back to the
This new breed of dog. It's called a pit goat.
We be hanging out all night, shooting pool and drinking. eating, get food till we bloated. Now she ready to smoke. Having so much fun, she ain't ready to go. We shopping, popping in the strip club, watching them drop it low. And she gets so jealous cause she already know I never made a pass at her. She be wanting me to.
You don't have what it takes to make it happen. Come on, this not your hand? This is when the warden takes victory. Come on, you can't do this? He walked away because he knew you had it.
He thought wrong.
You know what? I don't understand what's going on right now. Like, I really don't get it. Like, this is the time you thrive. The warden, you can't lock it up. You can't.
The time you thrive.
And you not winning right now? This is it. The game should be over. This play right here, this hand right here should determine the end of this game. I'm just saying, I'm looking over here, and I'm looking over here, and I'm seeing what can make this make that into the win. But you don't see it. I'm going to let you see it, because I can't tell you I saw it. Say what you say? Tell them again.
There's some cheaters.
Don't you think they working together? I told you got to switch seats. She love you, so she playing out of love.
No, she behind me, so she can't do shit.
Yep, behind you, man. That's say it again.
That's what he said.
Giggity, giggity, giggity. You already know. She's over here weak in the knees and letting him just get all the games. Locking it up, she helping. Building his money, putting it on the floor. This is just not. This is an unfair situation. That's why I was not. That's why I didn't want to sit down. I'm just saying. I just seen that there was some like Illuminati shit going on over here. They working together. They teaming up. Like don't see. It's not me just having a conspiracy. Don't sound like some Illuminati shit going on right now. They just said they plotting on the world. Hey, General, I think they plotting.
Yeah, they always plot.
They plotting. They plotting. They look.
Always
Look here.
plotting.
Calculator.
Who's it on, me?
And the motherfucking warden over here trying to lock shit up.
On that one?
He didn't close out. He didn't have it.
You didn't
He did not.
close out?
He didn't have it.
about all this time. Captain Lock Up. The warden. Right here.
This nigga did it.
You know what, man? I'm about to turn the music
I
on.
think they
Stop
did it for his
filming.
birthday.
Stop the camera. That's some bullshit. Garfield Projects.